my name's Beckett and today we're going to unbox a Pubbet. Wow, it has blue skin, amazing. It has glasses. You can see it has a red and yellow jacket. It has blue trousers with blue and white shoes. It looks funny too. I like the red hair very much. You can sit down. Let's see where the puppet hole is to get it to speak. It can talk. Hi, my name's Beckett. La 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 la. He's brilliant, I love him.